Today I am sharing a very healthy and delicious cake which is made from whole wheat and using brown sugar. It's perfect for kids. You can serve it as in breakfast. Irish apple cake topped with custard sauce. It's look very delicious. You can see. So let's get started. Very well. Sieve the dry ingredients. Cream the butter and brown sugar powder. Add the dry ingredients. Bake this cake at 200 degrees Celsius. So our cake is baked. Allow the cake to cool completely on room temperature. Now make custard sauce. You can check the recipe for custard in the previous video. Check the link in the description box for custard. Serve the cake with warm custard sauce or whichever you prefer, cold or warm. It's your wish. Enjoy. So let's enjoy Paris apple cake with custard.